Alright guys, finally arrived. Here is the new build. So right now I am on my way to pick up the trailer, and I'll catch you guys there.
We're looking at 640 feet.
Finally arrived. Here is the new build. So the only damage on this is right here, the door and the quarter panel. I don't know if you can tell right now, it's really dirty, but it's bent in just a little bit, but freaking hyped. Yeah, this thing needs a good wash. Yeah, I got the key. Let's see if it starts up. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. I just saw the rims they have on these. These are sick. They're what are they? They're 19s. 235, 19s. I actually think I might keep these. Alright guys, so it is currently the next day and we got the car right here looking dirtier than ever. Yeah, right now we're gonna clean up these cars. My friend pulled up. He's gonna get his car vacuumed and cleaned as well, but yeah, I'm gonna try to take all this crap off the windshield and these decals over here. I'm gonna try to peel all this off. And I will do a time lapse, so yeah. Alright, I got all this crap finally off. I was using a razor, came off pretty good, and some simple green, but looking good, looking good. And now for the interior, it smells like crap in here. I mean, it's not horribly dirty, but I don't even know. Yeah, we're gonna detail this good, so what's cool is it came with LED light bulbs in it, so that's cool. Very cool. Alright, so I just ended up taking out the whole seat so I could properly detail it. And I'm gonna go ahead and take out that other one, and then we'll start vacuuming. This is why you guys should take out your seats and clean them. Found all this crap under. Freaking disgusting. There's a freaking dog. Yeah, I'm gonna pull all this crap out and vacuum it good, and it should be good for the inside. So until he's done vacuuming his car, I'm gonna give these seats a good wipe down, because who knows the last time they did this, so. Alright guys, so I did a full wipe down of the car, vacuumed all the carpets, and yeah, it's getting dark out here, but yeah, it took a while. I'd say about 45 minutes to completely detail this. There's the other side. It looks way better than before, a lot better. And I kind of like this brushed aluminum. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty nice. But yeah, I'm gonna put those seats back in. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I ended up ending the video yesterday since it got dark outside. But yeah, I got the whole interior done. Now I just want to clean up the exterior a little. It's really dirty. And then probably next video we'll start fixing up the dents on this side. So this one you can barely see, it's really hard to tell, but I got a couple of different methods I want to use to try to get those out. And then I got a couple more right here, I don't know if you can see on camera. And then obviously just replace the door, which that'll be pretty simple. I'll probably just end up repainting the whole front bumper because it's got, I don't even know, it's got all these scuffs on here, and the whole bottom part's just completely scuffed up. And also, we're here in the back, there's I don't even know, some more scuffs. Those are minor damages, which should be pretty easy to fix. Let's go ahead and start washing this car. got done cleaning the car, and it's crazy how much it changes the look of it after it's actually clean. It literally looks like a brand new car. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, check this out. Obviously from this side without the damage, it literally looks so pristine. I put some tire foam on it just to, you know. So much better. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, I don't know what the previous owner did, but what the frick is this? Someone please explain. I'm gonna have to get those redone. But yeah, there's a major damage, and on camera, I'll be honest, you can't even tell. And there's a dent right here. And also, now that it's daytime outside, I'll show you guys the interior. Looks completely redone. There's some stuff over there on the carpet. I have no idea what it is. I'm gonna try to use like a wire brush or something to get it off, but other than that, detailed every corner of this car. The dash, everything. I'm gonna clean this trunk because it is filthy. And I don't know why. There's so much. What is this? Salt? I don't even know. That's disgusting. But I'm gonna detail this trunk really good too. And also, check out what I found in the trunk. This is some BMW glass cleaner, and it actually works. Look at this. This is dope. Probably end up using it here. Dang, this actually works good. And it smells good still. Things you find. Also came with all the BMW books. This is dope. And a little, what is this? First aid kit. Literally everything's untouched. This is crazy. Dang. Nice. Probably end up keeping this. Interior is complete, nice and clean. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so you guys get an alert when I post, and subscribe, follow me on this journey with this build. It's not really that much of a build. I'll probably end up just flipping this car and buying a salvage title car, because this is actually a clean, so I'm planning on selling this one and then buying a salvage title one and doing some crazy stuff to that. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each one of you. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.